Hello everyone, hope everyone's doing well and keeping safe. Today we got a little bit of an audience in here. We got the kids, so if you hear any noises, that's what's going on in here. We're just trying to just knock out this video because I know you guys are excited. We're ready to do the announcement for the winner of the Comfort Gel Micro Snips from Corona Tools. We definitely appreciate all the participation we had across YouTube and then over on Instagram as well. So we're going to announce both winners here on YouTube. Then we'll head over to Instagram and announce the winner there as well. I'll also announce the Instagram winner here on YouTube as well, just in case you're watching. But when I do announce the winners, I do want you to give us an email over to GardenObsessions@gmail.com, and that way we can communicate all the information we need as far as to get these out to you. I know you're excited. We're excited to be doing this video, so we'll probably be doing some giveaways later, more in the future. And that's something we want to look forward to doing on our channel because we definitely appreciate the feedback and everything that has to do with gardening. If you want to know any more about Corona Tools, definitely head over to coronatools.com, especially during these times. If you do want to order them, you can order directly off their website. And that coupon or the promo code is actually running up until Mother's Day, where you can save 30% off on those 5 tools that we showed on the previous video. You can also head over to Instagram, where Chris from Corona Tools does a lot of cool videos as far as breaking down the tools, what they're useful for, what they're actually used for in the garden as well. And on Facebook he does post videos, and if you're following us on Facebook and in our group, we also share some of his stuff in that group as well, so you can see those videos on there. But without further ado, let's go ahead and announce these winners because I know we're excited and you guys are excited. So the first winner on YouTube is Go Raiders and Dodgers, so go ahead and send us that email so we can get that information from you. The second winner is going to be Marion K, so congratulations to you two on YouTube. We definitely appreciate you participating. We appreciate all the comments and feedback we get from you guys. And also to announce the Instagram winner, we have @Solacita78 over on Instagram. We'll announce that and we'll put that post over on Instagram as well. But that's going to do it for the video, guys. Real quick, just wanted to announce the winners. I know you guys have been waiting for this, whoever actually entered the contest. And it's a great giveaway. You're not going to be disappointed with these tools. Like I said, these are the micro snip tools. We use these for, herb cuttings and some light pruning. But again, there's so many other pruners you can use for pruning, as far as when we deadhead roses or we cut back any canes from the roses and stuff like that. But again, that's going to do it for the video, guys. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys next time.